Using Apple Pay in Pakistan is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Apple Pay in Pakistan. So let me tell you one thing. You can do this in two ways. So the first way is either you live in some other country and you are visiting Pakistan and you want to use your Apple Pay. So in that case, it should be normal. It will work, like without any problem. You just need to, use your Apple Pay with your, Pakistani card. You need to own a Pakistani credit card. You will be able to add that card into your Apple Wallet, and you will be easily be able to make payments using that from your iPhone. But if you are living in Pakistan and you want to have, Apple Pay from Pakistan, so for that you need to spoof your phone or make your phone think that you live in some other country, but you are visiting Pakistan. So for that you need to change your region, your country. As you guys can see, I'm at my setting. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to search for region. Here I will go to this website. Here I'll go to this settings, and here, as you guys can see, I have to change my region as United States. I need to change the regions from the App Store, and after that I might be able to add my credit or debit card into my Apple Wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.